Hi, I'm Peggy Farron with Understand Photography. I'm going to show you how to fix your Nikon camera with a lens error. The first thing you want to do is you want to turn your camera all the way off, and by all the way off I mean take out the battery. Okay, then we're going to take off the lens. Press the button down, take off the lens, and using a lens cloth, clean the inside of the lens, including the contacts. All right, line up your white dots and put it on securely and make sure it clicks. Put your battery back in. Turn the camera on and see if that resolved your problem. In many cases it will. If you continue to have the problem, you want to make sure it's not your camera. So turn the camera back off and put a different lens on. I'm going to push this button, take this lens off, and lining up the white dots, put a different lens on. Now, if you still have the problem, you're probably having a problem with your camera, so you're going to have to send your camera in for repairs. If a new lens fixed the problem, you're going to have to send the original lens in for repairs. I'm Peggy Farron with Understand Photography. Thanks for watching How to Fix My Nikon Camera with a Lens Error.